The Xerox Iridesse Production Press combines the value of highly automated, agile digital production with exceptional image quality and jaw-dropping embellishment effects, making it easier to unleash the potential of print and achieve remarkably brilliant results. Iridesse magnifies your wow per page by combining stunning 4-color imagery with up to 2 specialty dry inks in line, all in a single pass, and with spot-on color-to-color registration. Iridesse's brilliance begins with a mastery of the basics, delivering consistently outstanding 4-color quality. Unique to Xerox is Ultra HD resolution, which combines 1200 by 1200 by 10-bit rendering at the front end with 2400 by 2400 by 1-bit print imaging, yielding smooth gradients, tints, crisp text, and fine line detail that competitors are hard-pressed to match. Small particle high-definition emulsion aggregate, or HDEA toner, delivers the smooth, low-gloss appearance that print buyers crave. Images are registered precisely to each sheet with a combination of sensors and guides. Even at the full rated speed of 120 pages per minute, registration is maintained within half a millimeter. The belt fuser ensures exceptional image quality across the widest range of coded, uncoded, and textured media, up to 400 GSM. Printed sheets are then cooled and decurled, so they are ready for either side 2 imaging or finishing. The press delivers stunning image quality at full rated speed using built-in automation technology that works together to dial in repeatable, sellable color quickly and accurately. At the core is the Xerox exclusive Full Width Array. The Full Width Array corrects potential image quality issues with density uniformity and image transfer. It also provides automatic setup of back-to-front registration and supports automated calibration and profiling for the ultimate in color stability and accuracy. Some full-width array adjustments can also be batched and scheduled using Iridesse's Easy Press Check capability. The simplicity of Easy Press Check makes it easy for operators to complete daily quality maintenance routines that keep prints looking exceptional. Iridesse's time-saving automation also extends to stock management with the optional Xerox Predict Print Media Manager software, which integrates with the Full Width Array. Simply scan a paper reams barcode, place the paper in the tray, and utilize an easy wizard-driven process backed by real-time data and artificial intelligence to optimize the press to your stock. Together, these innovative technologies complete otherwise tedious tasks in mere minutes, putting more time back into production while dramatically reducing paper waste. Going beyond standard stocks is the key to saying yes to more high-profit jobs. Technologies integrated throughout the press ensure superior performance for mixed or specialty stock jobs up to 400 GSM. This patented mixed media acceleration capability means you're ready for the most challenging requests. With the ability to run extra long sheets up to 1.2 meters long, you can not only think beyond traditional 4-color print, you can also think beyond the limits of standard sheet sizes. You can also go beyond standard media finishes with confidence. Low-gloss clear dry ink helps transfer CMYK particles into the surfaces of uncoated, textured, and heavyweight stock, creating smoother, more pleasing images. And a robust suite of inline, high-capacity feeding and finishing options ensure media of all types will move smoothly through the system, eliminating costly, time-consuming manual processes and unlocking new, profitable application potential. Even large volumes of extra-long sheet media, up to 1.2 meters, can be run productively, so you can go big on new opportunities. While Iridesse is an exceptional 4-color printing workhorse, CMYK printing is only the beginning of what it can do. Iridesse redefines digital printing with ColorFlex technology, which layers CMYK with up to 2 specialty dry inks, including real metallic gold or silver, fluorescent pink, white, or clear, in one single, incredibly productive pass, all while maintaining spot-on color registration. Specialty dry inks placed in the underlay station provide a base layer that amplifies CMYK tints and imagery. Metallic or fluorescent pink underlays can be used to create a rainbow of unique eye-popping colors when blended with CMYK, while white underlays extend your application range to include films, colored, and other specialty media. Metallic, fluorescent pink, white, or clear overlays create a dazzling array of spot embellishment effects for logos, graphics, patterns, and more. When used to its full capacity, Iridesse lets you move beyond time and cost-intensive embellishment processes with new, short-run, quick-turn, high-value applications and ultimate production confidence. ColorFlex technology includes Easy Swap, which lets you change specialty dry inks in a matter of minutes, so you can vary and execute specialty print embellishments easily. Iridesse is an incredibly flexible digital production print platform, and it just keeps evolving. With Iridesse on your team, you're ready to unlock new 4-color quality and productivity with automation. Expand your business beyond commodity print and meet emerging demands with ongoing platform innovations. Now that's brilliant.